Running a small company is a 24/7 commitment. Sometimes it doesn't feel like there are enough hours in a day to take care of all of the details. Existing customers, finding new business, it's endless. Don't get me started on the accounting and taxes.
Sound familiar? Fortunately, you have help. At Linda's Tax Service, business is our specialty. Our team of dedicated, experienced professionals work with business owners to ensure their books are up to date and accurate. We make sure your payroll records are spot on. But it doesn't stop with professional bookkeeping service. At Linda's Tax Service, we dig under the hood to make sure you're taking maximum advantage of all available tax breaks. You work hard to make your money. We'll work hard to help you keep more of it. We provide personalized accounting services. The right mix of services, support, and guidance to meet your business needs. And we've been doing it for nearly 2 decades. Professionalism, efficiency, and sincere care. That's what you'll find at Linda's Tax Service. A trusted member of your team handling your company's bookkeeping and tax needs. Contact us today to see how our certified experts can help you.